craftsmanship, precision and perfect quality. Three attributes that accurately describe the work of every one of these mint masters. Theirs is a labor of extraordinary skill that begins with outstanding design and will result in numismatic pieces of timeless value. Hello and welcome to the Mayer Mint in Germany, Europe's finest privately owned mint, a company with a history of more than 100 years and a tradition of customer satisfaction and excellence.
At the Mayer Mint, we are quite proud that we can say that we are one of the biggest and most modern private mints in the whole industry. In the last 130 years, we've been doing a lot of business with central banks, other customers all over the world, and we are very well known for our fastness, for our flexibility, and especially for our high quality proof coins. We are also very proud that we use the most modern techniques here in our new plant, which was built about 4 years ago. We started building it, and today, whenever we invite customers to see our mint, they say they have not seen something like this before.
Indeed, that international recognition is more evident today than ever before. Thanks to the industrious spirit of 5 generations of mint masters, the Mayer Mint has become synonymous with the history of numismatics the world over. Bernhard H.Mayer is keeping the business in the family after more than 130 years of growth and innovation.
The Mayer Mint is a very old, very traditional company. We are in the 132nd year, and I'm 4th generation. We have 5 generations of Mayers in the minting business. And the history may be best illustrated by looking at this old press, a so-called balancier, which my great-grandfather bought. That was before the time we had electric power and before we had sophisticated machines. It was a hand-driven press and capable of minting small coins and medals. My great-grandfather was a pioneer and always followed the spirit of innovation and progress. And throughout these 5 generations of Mayers in the minting business, we have maintained this spirit. And you may have a look at our mint today. It's Europe's most modern and one of the world's most modern and largest private mints.
It is that consistent high quality and customer satisfaction that has attracted GoldQuest, the leading global numismatics company, to work side by side with the Mayer Mint to produce exceptional products of exquisite value.
We have 3 different main product lines with GoldQuest. First of all, we're minting coins, and that's our business. And then we also are producing watches and jewelry products like pendants. We are at least providing more than 4 issuing countries like Bhutan and Malta and Somali. That makes a coin very special. And we have also very, very important and interesting designers all over the world who are working for us because we have very special designs. I mean, you have to put a lot of attention on the designs, and that makes our product so special, and our GoldQuest customers are really happy with this high proof quality that we can reach with very nice designs.
With GoldQuest, it's a very special partnership. It's beyond anything commercial. The managing director of GoldQuest says it's all family, and I'm proud of that. We are cooperating in many ways, but we're not only united by commercial things. What is important to us is the spirit. So the spirit in GoldQuest and the spirit in the Mayer Mint are basically the same. And this is why at a certain point when we met 4 years ago, I said to the managing director of GoldQuest, Mr. Vijay Eswaran, I told him and the other directors and founders of GoldQuest, you now have a mint in Germany.
Behind the Mayer Mint's success is its ability to link art with technique. World-class designs combined with advanced production processes using the latest technology have always been part of its way of doing business.
In every numismatic piece we make here, there's a lot of art involved. There are 2 different ways how we produce numismatic pieces. There's the traditional way. That means that we work with a plaster mold, what is made by the world's best artists in doing the plaster molds. And then we go over the reduction, and the reduction machine work with this mold and reduce it to the original size what the coin will have. And the other way is the latest technique way. That means that we use CNC engraving machines, and we link this together with manual engraving. This is what we are doing here. It is a very fine and precise, detailed artwork.
So what's next for the Mayer Mint? Again, Mr. Alex Wagner.
My vision for the Mayer Mint is we've already reached a lot in the last 130 years. We've built up a worldwide recognition in many, many markets, but there are still some markets which we have not entered so far, and in cooperation with Goldquest, one of our main markets we want to enter is India or also China. The other thing is we already have a very high standard of the machines and everything we need for the minting process, but we still also in the future have to invest in new machines, in new technology to keep this very, very high standard and make it an advantage for us compared to other mints. And our biggest vision for the future is to make the brand name of the B.H. Meyer's Mint a very well-known name in the numismatic world.